位置咧喺馬鞍山嘅錦泰苑錦泰商場啊。This is in馬鞍山 Kam Tai Court Kam Tai Shopping Centre。咁啊，之前一直都冇留意到，原來呢度咧有商場嘅。咁啊，今日就過嚟望望，睇下啲咩嘅。I have never realized here is a shopping mall before, so I just come in and take a quick look and see what they have here。咁上咗上邊一層先啦。咁有間麥當勞 McDonald 大家樂 That is a fast food shop。 呢度有間惠康 That is a supermarket。 好啦，繼續行啦。Laundry。 That is a Christian church, and seems nothing here。 有個服務中心咁樣啦，咁都冇乜嘢好影啦。留意到就有個基督教嘅教堂教會，咁又原來仲有另外一個 exit 嘅，落翻去，好啦，入翻去啦咁。中原地產 That is a properties agent and a bakery。 聖安娜兩間中醫，有間 salon。 So there is a hair salon and also two Chinese medicine shop。 Okay, here is a transportation area. I can see a taxi stand, and I guess they have some minibus going through here as well。 咁應該有個小巴站嘅，同埋有的士站嘅。功夫茶，咁台式飲品嚟嘅，做裝修嘅。 咁有啲都係地產經紀啦 ，Circle K 郵政局 ，so they have post office, convenience stores, some properties agent。 And they have a wet market here as well。 And I see another exit here。 咁佢出邊都有一啲鋪頭仔嘅，咁你一陣先行啦。I see some shops outside as well, but I will just take a quick walk on this wet market first。 咁係咁以行一行呢一個街市仔先。 咁啊感覺都似係齊整嘅啲嘢。咁啊呢度個音樂比較大聲，我睇行翻出去啦。The music is quite loud here, so I have to go out because I don't want to have any copyright issues reported from YouTube。咁啊，對面有個鞍山茶座喎，幾得意喎呢個位。Oh, this area is quite interesting, but they are not opened today because of COVID. Okay, Moss Cafe 社企嚟嘅。又有一間 hair salon 啦。咁都唔係全部租晒出去嘅喎，咁啊都有部分鋪頭唔開。咁啊呢間餐廳嚟嘅。This is a restaurant, but I can't see too clearly what they are selling. But I'm sure that they are selling Chinese food. 咁又有間賣燈嘅。Okay, so I can't see any shops out there, so I will go back in. 咁啊，見唔到出面有任何嘅地面商店啦，咁入翻去。咁就穿翻出去就算啦。出返嚟啦。Okay, so this is the end of this video, and this is the Kam Tai Shopping Centre in馬鞍山。咁啊，呢個就係kam Tai商場喺馬鞍山嘅kam Tai園入面。好啦，下段片再見啦，拜拜。